Fresh Restoration, the Viking 8500. I'll show you what it can do. Bob with Fresh Restoration, the Viking 8500 LGR, showing you what it blows out, 15.5% humidity at 144.8 degrees, 145. Bob with Fresh Restoration, give me a call for rental, drying,